In this video I'm going to unbox two new praying mantises. Hello, my name is Stewart and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to unbox two new praying mantises that I bought. Now, one of them is a Peruvian leaf mantis, which I bought as a replacement to the one that I bought in December. Unfortunately, it died during a molt. I don't know what happened. I think it got stuck or something, but I found it dead after it tried molting. And unfortunately, this can happen with both spiders and praying mantises. Now, these mantises I got from the prayingmantis.co.uk. It's a website in the UK that sells praying mantises. First time I've ordered from them. So we're going to unbox these now. Now my orchid mantis has just molted and now got wings, which is pretty cool. We might have to photograph that one again. Now that's got wings. Okay, so let's have a look here. This is the heat mat. It's still warm, nice. These were posted with a special delivery, so it was next day delivery in the UK. And we have the business card. We'll keep an eye on that. That's from Mitch. So we'll keep a hold of that because we might be buying some more, we don't know. So first off, we want, let's have a look. Don't want that one yet, we'll keep that till the end because we want to have a look at the one that we know we are getting. Okay. I'm confused because there's 3 praying mantises now and I only ordered 2. I don't know. I'll have to look at that. Anyway, there's our Peruvian. Hold on. Give me that. Don't need none of that. So here is our Peruvian leaf mantis. He's a replacement for the one I lost, which I really did like the look of that mantis because he was a very nice, good looking mantis. He or she, I should say. We don't know what type it was. There we go. There you get to have a nice look at him. There we go. These will be going to the same enclosures as here. Now these are made the same way as I did with my spider enclosure, which you can view up at the top here. Okay, I'll put a link in the description for that video as well. The only difference is I used the bigger sweet jars instead of the little round ones. So that's our Peruvian leaf mantis. Now he's going to have to go back in here for a minute. The second one we have is this little guy here, and he's currently eating a fruit fly, so I'm not going to disturb him. So this one is a Spiny mantis, and this one, which is a surprise, which I wasn't expecting. Okay, so this one I'm going to have to identify it and find out what it is. It has got the Latin name on there. I'm not even going to try and pronounce it because, yeah. So here we're to one side. There's probably people watching this video now screaming at me, knowing what that is, but I didn't order it, so. So again, these are from, it's called the Unseen Universe, breeder, supplier of praying mantises. The website is in the description below if you want to take a look at their website. It's the prayingmantis.co.uk. So yeah, they got an after support and everything, which is good. Packaged well, come the very next day I ordered. Well, I ordered it on Sunday, but the post obviously goes out on the Monday, so it's next day delivery, which is great. Yeah, so check them out if you are interested in praying mantises. So there's a link in the description below. What I can tell you is they are free of mites, which is great. The last set I had mites in the actual enclosures that I bought. That's from a spider fair. These appear to be completely free of mites, which is fantastic. We're going to deal with that problem. I'm going to put these into their enclosures. They're going to settle down for a couple of weeks and then we'll photograph them. Hopefully Mommy Kicks Ass has got some suggestions on how to photograph these because she did do some good suggestions for the orchid mantis. For now, I want to thank you for getting to the end of this video. Like it, subscribe if you haven't done already. It does help out the channel if you do like the videos. Leave me a comment as if you're looking forward to this. I'm expecting one from Mommy Kicks Ass on how to photograph these two new ones. But until then, I'll see you on the next video.